Welcome to the Python Capstone Blueprint, an end-to-end retail sales analysis. This is for Module 16 of ISM 2411, your cumulative project in the Python Pandas environment. Every module in this course is built towards this moment. Variables, operators, conditionals, loops, functions, dictionaries, file, input, outputs, pandas loading, cleaning, aggregation, and visualization. All of it converges into a single professional deliverable. A complete retail sales analysis with clean data, coded answers to business questions, and a multi-chart dashboard. This is not a test of syntax, it is a test of analytical thinking, your ability to take a raw, messy CSV, produce a polished, documented, multi-dimensional business report that a manager could actually use. A professional analytics deliverable is not just code. It is 5 interlocking components that together constitute a complete analysis. Component 1, clean data. Raw data sanitized and validated for analysis. Component 2, coded answers. Python logic addressing specific business questions with inline comments explaining every decision. Component 3, visualizations. Plotted charts revealing trends, insights with titles and axis labels. Component 4, a written summary. Plain language findings in a report.txt file, translating technical output into accessible business intelligence. Component 5, documented decisions. Inline comments explaining choices about null handling, data transformations, and filtering. Missing any one of these components makes the deliverable incomplete. Code without charts is incomplete. Charts without a written summary are incomplete. Clean data without coded answers is incomplete. All 5 must be present. The journey from raw tabular data to a business dashboard follows 3 phases, and each phase has a specific set of tools and a clear deliverable. Phase 1, raw data. Tabular atomic transaction records. Individual rows, each representing a single sale event. The source, CSV, before any processing. Phase 2, aggregate via pandas. Group by, aggregate, pivot table, collapse the atomic records into business-level summary metrics. Total revenue by region. Average order by product. Weekly transaction count. Phase 3, visual insight via matplotlib. plt.par, plt.plot, ax.history, translate the aggregated number into the charts that communicate patterns instantly to a non-technical audience. Your analysis.py file and script should follow this same 3-phase architecture. Load and clean in the first section, aggregate and answer in the second, and visualize and export in the third. Professional projects use a rigorous folder architecture that separates raw inputs from processed outputs. Never overwrite your source data. The capstone project structure. You have your capstone _ project as the root. Inside, you'll have data containing the raw sales.csv. Never overwrite this. And clean _ sales.csv, the output of your cleaning script. Analysis.py is in the main script. This should run without errors from top to bottom. Report.txt contains your written findings. Readme.md explains what the project does and how to run it. Charts / or the folder separates all saved chart images from your code. The non-negotiable rule: never overwrite your raw sales.csv. Your cleaning script needs to read data / raw _ sales.csv and writes to data _ clean _ sales.csv. If your cleaning script is wrong, you can rerun it. If you overwrite the raw data, you cannot recover. Every business analytics project follows the 6-step execution pattern, and your capstone project must demonstrate all 6 in sequence. Step 1, load and inspect. Read.csv followed by df.head, df.info, df.describe. Step 2, document issues. Commit every anomaly you observe before cleaning. Step 3, clean, handle nulls, coerce types, standardize text, cast to final types. Step 4, answer with code. Write group by operations that address specific business questions. Step 5, visualize. Build a bar, line, and histogram charts from your aggregated results. Step 6, summarize. Write the report.txt with plain language findings. This sequence mirrors the execution logic of your analysis.py script. You cannot run step 4 before step 3. You cannot run step 5 before step 4. The script must execute from top to bottom without errors. The cleaning phase is not an obstacle before the real analysis. It is what transforms raw data into a reliable analytical asset. The raw state column shows the problems. Null values causing calculation errors, dates stored as generic object strings, invalid messy columns. The clean deliverable state column shows the resolution. Null values handled via documented decisions, dropped or imputed with reasoning. Dates converted to date-time objects for series plotting. Structure exported cleanly to a data/clean sales.csv. Every cleaning decision must be documented in a comment using the hashtag observation: 42 null observations found in region column. Hashtag decision: filling nulls with unknown to preserve revenue data. Documentation is a grading requirement. Translating visual inspections into comments proves your analytical intent. Undocumented transformations look like accidental changes. The analytics engine translates raw queries into business intelligence. Every business question must be answered with both printed code output and a saved visualization. The flowchart shows the complete pipeline. Business question: Pandas operations, 2 outputs simultaneously. What is the total revenue by category? Flows into group by, sum, and sort. Operations, which produce both a printed technical output, the data frame, and the visual output, the bar. Both outputs are required for every business question. The rule at the bottom is a grading requirement. Every business question must be answered with both printed code output and a saved visualization. A group by result without a chart is incomplete. A chart without the underlying group by calculation is unverifiable. Both together constitute a complete analytical answer. A complete analysis triangulates the data from multiple analytical angles. Minimum submission requirements answers to 3 or more business questions and 4 or more saved charts. The 4-panel dashboard preview shows the required coverage. Q2 weekly trend. Line chart answers when. Q3 top 10 products. Bar chart answers who. Q4 regional performance. Map or bar answers where. Q5 customer segment analysis. Scatter or bar answers who are the customers. Each chart answers a different question using the same underlying data set. Triangulation means you don't stop at one answer. You look at the data from categorical, temporal, distributional, or segmentation angles. The resulting picture is richer and more defensible than any single chart could be. 4 charts from 4 angles is the minimum bar for a professional analytical delivery. Technical execution must ultimately translate into plain language business value. Report.txt is where that translation happens. The technical realm on the left shows raw Python output, data frames, numbers, aggregation results, accurate but inaccessible to non-technical decision maker. The business realm on the right shows report.txt. Key findings: category X drives 40% of revenue, region Y underperformed in Q3. Plain sentences, no code syntax, directly actionable. The final summary report strips away the Python syntax to deliver pure, accessible insights to decision makers. This is what the business intelligence means. Not the code, but the findings the code produces. If your manager cannot read the report.txt without knowing Python, you haven't finished the analysis. The report is the product, the code is the engine. The synthesis matrix confirms that following the 6-step process automatically generates all required deliverables. Every checkbox is filled in. Row 1, load and inspect, generates the analysis.py entries and null comments. Row 2, document, generates the comment annotations throughout the script. Row 3, clean, generates this clean_sales.csv. Row 4, code questions, generates the A+ charts and printed answers. Row 5, visualize, generates report.txt, entries the chart files. Row 6, summarize, generates a readme.md and the GitHub history. The status of capstone ready, end of the pipeline. When all 6 rows have check marks, every deliverable exists. The process is the checklist. Execute the 6 steps in order and completeness is guaranteed. Skip a step and the corresponding deliverable is missing.